Okay, I sure forgot to make this video. I did promise you guys about this new Vision. Okay, so we got 5 2021, well 2022s, when they started number 2021s. Bluebird Visions, special needs. These buses look pretty cool. I like them. These are diesel buses. Oh God, got a little pollen in this side because this door was cracked, but it's brand new. You can see the controls there. With the seat belts. There you go. I guess we can start ordering them all with this now, I guess. And this bus has, oh, they killed the battery, so I can't, oh, there you go. 221 miles. And it's a 2022. All right, 2022 Bluebird Special Needs Vision.